So, what do you think about this?
Pretty nice.
It's nice?
Yeah. It's a little hot out, but it's pretty nice. It looks really nice.
You okay?
Yeah, it's just there was a little
Bug?
bee, like bug, bee, whatever.
It's not a bee. It was a bug. It was a little gnat.
Yeah.
This is some land that I've got a video going. You gonna say hi?
Hello.
Come on.
Look at the sunrise or sunset.
Sunset?
I should say. Yeah, set with us.
Alright. That is so beautiful. So we're walking in the property behind our house, of course with the owner's permission. Gave us permission to come explore down here to the creek. There's a little creek down here that I didn't quite know, sort of guessing a bit where it's at, but it's right around here somewhere. Right about where the tree line is. You okay?
Yeah, it's just I stepped on something and it hurt my ankle.
Well, you gotta watch where you step, love. You okay?
Yeah.
Careful. Careful, love. Did you not watch where you were going?
I thought I saw something. Yeah, I
What did you think you see? Or saw?
Looking down and
Because you didn't watch. Look. Look at the camera.
yeah, I'm humiliated.
You're okay.
I'm not humiliated.
We're in the country, so it's gonna be a little heavy terrain. I think that's what you'd call it. Or rough terrain. Ooh, careful with your hands. Keep them up so you don't get, so we don't touch anything. You can walk, just don't touch the plants. Keep your sleeve down. Other one, down, love, down. Let's see, how are we gonna do this? Because it's literally straight through. Okay, go through. Just keep your hands up. Hey, baby, don't touch the plants. Straight through.
Should we turn?
Yeah, go that way since it's cleared. To the right. To the right, love. Just not into the bushes. Baby, that way. Don't touch the bushes.
I'm trying not to.
Go to that way.
This way?
Yeah, go up. Keep your hands up. Go that way. There you go. There's the creek. But it's dried out, I think. You okay?
Huh?
You okay?
Yeah.
Wow. What do you think?
Looks nice. Wish it was a little bit more moist. But...
Is there more water? Come this way. Just watch your step. There's a log and a couple of tree branches down here. Oh, there it is. Oh, there's water in there. Careful. Hands up, love. Step up and over. Up and over, baby. Step up, up, and go over. Back up, step up, and hey, you can put your hands down, just don't touch the bush. There you go. Now get your foot out of there. There you go. Oh wow. There's water flowing. Wow. It's actually nice. Oops, sorry. This is country living, people. I love it.
I haven't seen this part of the creek, so. You okay?
Careful. Yeah, don't step too far. That's the farthest you're going to want to go.
Oh, okay.
Because there's a cliff.
Oh.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
Yeah.
I wish I could listen to the sound of it flowing.
If there was air conditioning, it looks like we're in the jungle.
I'm just waiting for a grizzly bear to attack us.
Don't say that.
Well, it's not like it's gonna hear us.
Mm-hmm.
Grizzly bears don't understand humans. They only understand food.
We are food.
Humans are friends, not food.
Okay, let's go back. Okay, you gotta, ow, 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 my hand, love. You gotta go and do that. You gotta make that turn around. Step up and over. This way, love. I'm gonna go this way.
This way?
Yeah. Watch your step. That way, that way, that way, that way, that way.
Where?
That way.
I think I saw a butterfly.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them out here.
Just don't call it a monarch.
Yeah, don't even say monarch. Actually, hold on. Right there, see, look. Baby, right there, that little baby one. It's flying right down there. You don't see that?
No.
Really? You don't see that? Baby, stop looking down. Stop looking down. There's a little thing flying over there.
I see a little dandelion.
It's sitting on the plant, waving its wings. It's orange and black. Now it just flew off.
Oh, I saw it.
Did you really
Yeah.
see it?
Yeah. It was tiny, but...
That's why I said a baby butterfly. Duh.
Darn me, caterpillar.
Duh. Keep your hands, watch the tree with your hands.
Oh.
Yeah, keep your hands down, keep your sleeves down. Keep them down, love, your sleeves, both of them. I don't want you, no, make sure you don't touch the plants. I don't know which ones are which, so. Wow, that was a interesting 9-minute walk from here to the creek and then back. Took us 9 minutes to get from here back to the creek and back. Look at this beautiful landscape, people.
Sound like a YouTuber.
I am a YouTuber. This is so beautiful. The sunset went down. We got a nice picture of it earlier. You okay?
Yeah, that's good.
Careful, love. Go straight. Just go straight. Wow. That's This was a nice walk, wasn't it?
Yeah. A little bit difficult on my end because I don't really do this often, so the longer we do it, or the more often we do it, I'll get used to it. Kind of reminds me of when my brother and I went to, they had a really big drought, or a big rainstorm in El Paso many years ago.
Yeah.
My brother took me to, I think it was a ditch or something, but it had like a lot of water and there were tadpoles in it. They took me to go
Let's go this way.
collect some tadpoles. He used to like raise frogs and whatnot. Keep them as pets. He even had a black widow one time. Yeah, my mom was not happy about him having a black widow in the house. Actually, my brother had a red rose tarantula. I think that's what it's called. And her name was Rosie, but somehow one night the cage got opened and she went inside my mom's room. And so in the middle of the night I just hear my mom going, "Oscar, ven aquí!" And I'm like, what the heck happened? I'm half asleep. And yeah, sure enough, Rosie decided to crawl into my mom's bed.
Really?
Yep.
Watch your step.
It was funny.
So, you want to keep going that way? Follow the dirt right there, that trail.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is all being, filmed on a T-Mobile Revel phone. No sponsorships for this.
We got God's sponsorship.
True that. We have God's sponsorship, so go straight, love. We've got a few different plant sources.
Look at that, love.
Where?
Right over here. Look how the sun's hitting the trees just right.
Oh, I got a picture of it earlier.
And then look, God's saying, "Come back home."
So we're headed back to the place we were before. To the place where Jesus loves us.
Are you sure? Just kidding. Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
You want to know why?
Why?
Because the Bible tells us so.
Ah, you caught on to that one. So, we did a little,
next time we do this, we should follow Steve Irwin.
Steve Irwin.
Crocky, mate, we're going to go to the creek and we're going to explore.
Look at the camera and say that.
Crocky, mate, we're going to go to the creek and explore.
That's, Valerie Irwin for you people. Careful.
I wonder if we'll ever find a gopher.
No, I'm not entirely sure. I don't think so. But we do have almost 15 minutes worth of film, which is going to be nice. I think you see the house?
I think right there, right?
Yep.
Oh,
so,
damn, it's like that far away.
Yeah, so we are doing a bit of a wilderness trek, and I think this might turn into a new program called Into the Wild.
Oh, geez, babe, they already have a movie made out of that.
Well, guess what? I'm making a difference. Or should we call it When Nature Calls?
That just sounds like you're gonna go potty.
No. But this is about a...
Let's call it the...
Well, look at the camera when you're saying it.
Let's call it the Jesus series. Where Jesus walked the earth, literally. You think he would have survived? You think he would have been liked in Alabama?
What about walks of nature?
That'd be good.
So we've got life, and it's an abundance of life out here. There's grasshoppers, butterflies, birds. You can hear them off into the distance, different kinds of birds. And man, it is phenomenal. No, it's not.
Wish we could fly.
I don't want to fly. I like this. I film stuff like this. So next time we'll spend a little more time out here. But this is got a little gnat trying to get on camera. I just saw it. It was trying to get on camera, love. So what do you think about this little exploration, love? What could people learn from it?
Be careful from where you're stepping at, because I fell, as you can tell. And statistics say that if you're outside in nature for 15 minutes, you're gonna live a long life. So instead of sitting on the couch watching Netflix or PureFlix, well, always watch PureFlix, but go outside and enjoy it.
So you heard that, everybody. The view is amazing. Nature is always going to be good. Well, unless you run into bears. But so far we haven't done that. And you know, that'll turn out for an epic episode if we do. Because then you guys will learn what not to do
Make
with the
yourself
bear.
look bigger when you're...
Yeah. So if you guys ever encounter an animal, a wild animal, you do not want to threaten it. We'll come out with some more things to learn on this episode and the next following episodes of, what was the episode called? Nature.
In nature. Yeah.
Go ahead and do that again.
Hold on, let me do it while I'm walking away. It'll even be more epic. We're walking in nature. Yeah. And it's gonna feel good.
Jazz hands. So that was this episode of Walking in Nature on Fruitful TV. My name is Dylan Terrence Matthews, and there's your other co-host of this series, Valerie Matthews.
I try to do that hey thing, you know, with Danny Goes.
So we're pretty much done with this episode, so we'll see you until next time. Let's make this episode and every other episode we ever do, let it make a difference in your life. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of
Walking in Nature.
Walking in Nature. I'm going to have to get used to that. So, have a great day, you guys.
Walking in sunshine.